By the end of this video, you'll have a weapon that can make any girl addicted to you. Believe me, bro, in this video, you'll understand the psychology of girls and know exactly what to do to make a girl go crazy about you. Many people say the best way to make a girl like you is by making her feel good about herself. But look, bro, why do nice guys who constantly make girls feel good often never get a girlfriend? Because like everyone else, they don't understand the core of female psychology. What I'm about to share might sound unbelievable, but this is a secret most guys don't understand about girls. I'll explain the concept first, then move on to practical steps and how to implement it. The best way to make a girl addicted to you. Make her experience a range of emotions, not just happiness. This includes both pleasure and a little bit of pain. Just being happy all the time won't keep her satisfied, because girls want to feel other emotions too. This is also why so many girls love drama in soap operas. They secretly want drama in their own lives and are attracted to guys who know how to create it. For example, why can't girls resist bad boys, even though they know these guys are unreliable and might hurt them? It's because the element of drama is so strong. As long as a girl experiences a range of emotions, she can't help but be attracted. The difference between a friend and a partner. A partner can stir emotions. How? Make her unpredictable, unsure of your next move, and constantly curious about you. Give her all the elements of drama she's looking for. It's okay to argue occasionally or make her a little upset, even crying sometimes. If you make her cry, then make up afterward. It actually adds a unique intensity to your relationship. For instance, if her initial attraction is 6 out of 10, it can jump to 8 out of 10. Make her confused and intrigued. As long as she can't predict you, you remain a puzzle she wants to solve. Keeping her constantly interested. Attention and behavior. Give her attention, but sometimes avoid her. Don't let her know entirely how you feel about her, but also don't show disinterest. Keep a balance. Be busy for a few days, avoid meeting or chatting on the phone. If she asks why you're distant, don't explain. Change the topic. This is where drama starts. Don't fear her reactions. Guys often worry that a girl will forget them or get angry. As a result, they respond immediately to every message. Don't be afraid of negative reactions. Girls want to experience a variety of emotions. Remember, don't be afraid to make her angry or cry. Don't fear losing her interest. If you're scared, she will forget you or lose attraction. This is a rule you must remember for life, bro. About everyday conversations. Girls are emotional beings who communicate through feelings. Don't constantly compliment her on everything. Treat her like a guy friend sometimes and challenge her a little, but don't overdo it. For example, if she says she's from New York, don't keep saying, "Wow, New York is so cool." Challenge her subtly so she doesn't immediately know you're interested. The key is, give her happiness, but also create emotional excitement. It's not about making her feel good all the time, but about making her experience a range of emotions. Conclusion. Make a girl experience a variety of emotions, not just happiness. Occasionally make her curious, confused, and intrigued. Don't be afraid to make her upset or cry. Give attention, but maintain a sense of mystery. By doing this, you can make a girl addicted to you and make the relationship more exciting and memorable. Thanks, and I hope this helps.